This morning, a rare look inside a New York City hospital at doctors and nurses fighting to save lives.
All the feet that you see, they all have COVID.
Elmhurst Hospital in Queens is now overrun with coronavirus patients. 13 people died from the virus at the hospital in just 24 hours.
Today is kind of getting worse and worse. We had to get a refrigerated truck to store the bodies of patients who are dying.
Dr. Colleen Smith is giving the New York Times access to the hospital's emergency department, where doctors call the scene apocalyptic.
The anxiety of this situation is really overwhelming.
Dr. Smith says patients are coming in for other ailments, only to discover they too are infected with the virus.
So if someone in a car accident gets brought in, and we get a CT scan of them, and their lungs look like they have coronavirus. We were seeing a lot of patients who probably had COVID, but we didn't realize.
Across the country in Washington state, we are hearing from the first nurses to be on the front lines.
It was like a tidal wave.
These 4 women work at Kirkland Life Care Center outside Seattle, where an outbreak started back in February. 35 residents at the facility died from the virus.
I was talking to my regional nurse to check on her and see how she's doing, and I told her, I said I felt like I was chasing the devil. And she said she had chills because she said she was just getting ready to say the same thing.
First responders from coast to coast are now experiencing the same nightmare, fighting a virus they know little about while trying to keep themselves and their families safe. This doctor in California is now sleeping in a tent in his garage to avoid contact with his family.
Allow first responders to assist those most in need.
In New York, first responders released this video asking people to only call 911 in a real emergency after 236 members of the NYPD tested positive. And more than 3,000 members of the force are sick. That's triple the normal sick rate. As for Dr. Smith, she shares this warning.
I don't really care if I get in trouble for speaking to the media. I want people to know that this is bad. People are dying. We don't have the tools that we need in the emergency department and in the hospital to take care of them.
Dr. Smith says her ER usually sees 200 people a day. That number has doubled to 400. New York City's mayor is warning April will be worse than March, and he says May could be even worse.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.